Good morning, y'all. What's up? What's good? What's popping? Oh, sorry. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. If you see me with this same shirt on, it's because I recorded this the day before. I know I need a video to get out for you guys, so, and I know I need to take this wig off and put another one on, so why not go ahead and record it for you guys. I'm trying to edit a lot of videos and put do a lot of videos like basically pre-recorded, because next week I have a really busy week. I have a lot of stuff to do school wise before my in-laws get here next week Friday. So yeah, I want to have a lot of stuff done before they get here, because I don't want to just, you know, be doing homework and being antisocial when I have company coming here. So yeah, I'm excited about that. I actually did some of my DQ questions today, so I'm actually ahead of my own schedule, which I am so happy for. Turn this ring light on. Oh, but yeah, we gonna actually go ahead and get into the video. I'm gonna show you guys how to take off a previous wig, how to clean it. When you take your wigs off, don't be lazy like me and just throw your wig somewhere, or don't take the glue off, because later on when you want to put that wig back on, baby, it's just gonna be a headache. So when you take the wig off, remove the glue at the same time. So right now I'm just gonna get my alcohol. I got cotton pads already in there. But y'all use wigs but don't really know how to reinstall it on one that's already previous. Because let me say this, you cannot put on another wig that's been cut to fit somebody else's head. It will not work for you, baby, unless that wig is like 10 times bigger than your head. Okay, that I'm just gotta throw that disclaimer out, because a lot of people be wanting to take the cheap route and wear their friend's wig and be wondering why it don't fit them how it fit their friend, because that wig was customized to fit their head and not yours, period. Now we're gonna move into this video. All right, y'all, I'm back. I'm about to get situated. Getting on y'all Philly cheesesteaks. I want a Philly cheesesteaks with jalapenos, bell peppers, onions, and I think that's it. I think that's all I get on mine. Oh, and pickles. Gotta have pickles. Y'all, it is 5:25. And I think I've been up since like 9 o'clock this morning, and I ain't eat nothing all day, period. Well, I look like I got them fake teeth in like all these other YouTubers. I don't know. I might get my teeth cut down or something. I don't know. They just look big, but they white as fuck. So hey, you better not mess my order up, because then I'm gonna be mad. Cause I ain't eat. You know when somebody say they gonna bring you something to eat and you eat all day, and then you get your food and they mess your order up. Girl, be pissed, okay? Pissed. But yeah. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna try to talk to y'all, because I don't like doing voiceovers. When I be doing voiceovers, my husband just be looking at me and staring at me, and I be fucking up, and I be sounding slow and all that. But yeah. So since he's not here, I'm gonna try to talk to y'all throughout the video, so I don't have to do voiceovers. Meaning, for y'all, I won't be listening to music with all the copyright foolishness. But yeah, we just gonna let's go ahead and start. So first things first, if you like me, baby, take your bonnet off and your head wraps off. Oh shoot. I didn't know I had it like that. Okay. And that's how I say the other one like this too. But yeah, go ahead and take them off. So Prop y'all up a little bit more like that. Kind of mad because this hair is really stuck to my head, which I'm surprised. It's only lifting a little bit, like on the sides, just a little bit. I could have glued it back down, but I knew I was changing my wig within a couple of days, so I ain't paying no attention to that. So anyway, first things first, you want to go ahead and get your alcohol. I'm using 70% alcohol because that's all they have over here in Germany. Even in the PX and the commissary, that's all they have is 70% alcohol. But you can use 99% alcohol. That one is better if you ask me. Then you need some cotton pads. You may need a lot of these. I take 2 at a time. Put alcohol on it and just go ham. Bro, why is it every time I do a hair video in my bathroom, I am never prepared. This is crazy. Don't mind this bump bleeding right here. It didn't come from boho. I actually had these 2 bumps when I was installing. But look at this. This is the main reason why I really do not like boho. I don't like, after a couple of weeks or something, the glue becomes gummy and all this foolishness, and it's just too sticky and it's just too much to deal with. It's irritating. Now that I got the wig off, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean my forehead. Actually, I'm gonna just go ahead and clean my whole face because that's what I'm gonna end up doing anyway. And so y'all, if you watched that video, some of y'all did, some of y'all, if you're watching this, you did watch that video, go back and watch that video, my natural hair journey video. All I did to grow my hair back, you guys, was wear wigs.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase.
Watch somebody in the comments gonna be like, "Ooh, she catfish."
Your tracks today.
how to take the lace, take the glue off of this lace. And with this install, you guys, I did not use makeup underneath it. I'm pretty sure some of y'all can tell. The only reason why I didn't put makeup on underneath it is because I knew for a fact I was wearing the middle part, and I really need, me personally, I only need makeup on the sides. But
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
alright, y'all, we are done taking the glue off this lace, honey. And there it goes. Now it'll be easier to put it back on whenever you get ready to install it. Again, don't throw your, if you got some good quality hair, don't throw your wigs away, child. Put them up somewhere, put them in this satin bag, or put on a mannequin, because that's probably what I'm about to do. Just put it on a mannequin. And yeah, put on a mannequin until you get ready to use it again. And actually, I want to say, I don't want to lie to y'all, but if you have a good quality lace or whatever, and it was cut to your head the way it was supposed to be, you'll be able to wear or install that wig at least 2 more times. At least 2 more times before you need another frontal. That's only if you take the glue off right, wash it, and all that jazz, and actually take care of it. Take care of it like it's your real head. I really don't want to use that bowl hole this time either, it's because I think that shit be breaking me the fuck out. Like right here, y'all probably can't see it on camera, but like when I be using it and I take the lace off, I be having like little bumps around my edges, and baby, that ain't cute. When I do the ball cap method, I just use the Got to Be Free spray. That's all I use for y'all put your freeze spray, do not cut it. Please let it dry. Let it dry completely. Honestly, I just got tired of holding that blow dryer, so I'm gonna let it dry on its own. I do have some clothes in the dryer that I need to fold, and then put the clothes in the wash machine in the dryer. So that's what I'm about to do. So I'll come back. What the hell? I'll come back when this is completely dry. Okay guys, I'm back. I took a shower and everything because I thought I had more clothes to fold than I actually had, and I didn't, and it wasn't dry by the time I was done. So yeah.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your
Alright y'all, so let's get into it. You want to get your wig, your band, have the frontal facing you like this. Put your head inside, and the back like so. Take this part, pull it all the way down as far as you can. If you made your wig the right way, it should go far back. Don't do this. Some females be having their frontals like this, child, and they be looking the best. Now I'm gonna just look and see how it looks.
tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Okay, y'all, so real quick, because my camera about to down, we're just gonna go ahead and lay this lace in, honey. So pull it all the way up to where you have your glue at.
Purchase your tracks today.